Hello traders. I hope you are doing well. So, today I am going to share with you Forex simple and easy strategy. First we open USD CAD in 15-minute time frame. This strategy we need buy sell signals here free indicator. With change some settings. If buy sell signals here free indicator signal red arrow downside, then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If buy sell signals here free indicator signal green arrow upside, then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my strategy, please like and share this video and subscribe to ForexLia.